I received these whiskey stones from Mixology and Craft, and they're awesome. And you get 6 of them, and so easy to use. You just put it in the freezer, and then you're able to add it to your drink without watering it down. And look how cool that is. And instead of putting ice in your drink, these are going to cool it down so it's nice and refreshing for you without it being watered down. And this is perfect for any kind of drink. It doesn't necessarily have to be whiskey. You can use it for juice, soda, so many things. These are made of 100% granite. And look how nice it is. And all you have to do is put it in the freezer and it gets nice and cold. Perfect. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.